In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add creator fees to Opensea. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to fill in, and how to publish your changes with confidence. Creator fees, sometimes called royalties, let you receive a percentage whenever your NFTs are resold on supported marketplaces. You'll want to be signed in on the wallet that owns the collection you're editing. Start by heading to opensea.io in your browser. Once the page loads, look to the left sidebar and open Studio. This is your hub for creating and managing collections. If you manage multiple collections, you'll see them listed here. Click the collection where you want to add or adjust creator fees. That will open its management area and settings. Inside your collection settings, find and open the creator earnings section. This is where you define your fee structure. You'll see a field for the creator fee percentage. Enter the percentage you want to charge on secondary sales. Many creators choose a modest range so it rewards the team without discouraging trading. Consider what makes sense for your audience and the long-term health of your collection. You can use whole numbers or decimals and be sure the value meets any limits shown by the interface. Next, add the recipient wallet address. This is where your earnings will be sent when secondary sales occur on supported platforms. Paste the correct address carefully and double-check every character before saving. If you're using a naming service that resolves to your address, make sure it resolves properly to the wallet you control. If you plan to split earnings among collaborators, use the option to add another wallet. Assign each wallet a portion so the split adds up cleanly. Keep an eye on the totals so they reflect exactly how you want proceeds distributed. You may also see an option to enforce creator earnings. If it's available for your collection, enable it to request enforcement where supported. Keep in mind that actual enforcement can vary by marketplace and over time, so this setting signals your intent but may not apply universally. When everything looks correct, publish your changes. OpenSea may ask you to review and sign a message to confirm the update. Give it a moment to process, then refresh the page to verify that your fee percentage, recipient address, and any splits are saved as intended. That's it. You've added creator fees to your OpenSea collection, set who gets paid, and published the update. Thanks for watching, and happy creating.